May mga
Let's
picture
talk
ka ba?
about
Hindi familiar ang
mistakes.
pangalan, pero baka makilala ko base sa mukha.
after your hands look
Sabi
like
na't
their
sasabihin
clothes.
mo yun eh.
It's true because
Magdamag kong
you wear
hinakisa
this
isa ang
clothes,
mga
but
cellphone nila.
Emoji Cat never is it
Tingnan natin.
because this is a claim plastic. And what is this? This does not look like that. It just likes the watermelon. It's true, but why there's so sweet? But the watermelon is the ice cream. It's only a classic watermelon. And the tea, what's wrong?
Kilala ko siya.
Oh, there's no accessories from the egg because this is a classic egg.
Mag-isa siyang
That's
pumunta ng
not
mga
a
bandang
classic
alas
egg.
8.
No, this is
Pag ang kaibigan pumunta sa lamay,
There's a
hindi siya
mistake.
suspect, diba?
Pwede rin kabaligtaran.
first after 3 days or 2 days or 11 days or something 100 days she can hatch
Di Sumi ng pangalan
hatching
niya. Si
because
Kim Hayon yung nakilala mo.
because this
Tatlong
is
taon na silang kaklase
only
ni Gio.
one
Kaya malamang,
hatching
Oo sila.
one is a girl or a boy
Pareho
because
silang nasa lamay
this
ni
is
Gio.
not is it a disabled cat.
silang dalawa. Pati yung lalaki.
Why she cannot talk? She say he wants carrot
Siya
now
si Kuyun Ho.
No,
Kaklase ni Gio.
because
Unang beses
her
niyang
mom
naging kaklase ang
wants
kapatid mo.
her to drink
Girlfriend niya
her
yata si Sumi na nasa tabi niya.
because
Pero iPhone
she
ang gamit
always
niya sa
say
halip
but
Galaxy.
she
Dalawa sila
say
na bumisita
but
sa bahay namin.
but
Mga dalawang
she
taon
say
na ang nakalipas. Christmas Eve nung gabing yun. Inuwi nila si Gio
Oh my God,
sa
she
mama ang
didn't
pakiramdam niya
say.
habang nasa party sila. Magdamag siyang
carrot
binantayan ng
milk
mama
doesn't
namin.
exist.
Mabuti siguro kung si Sumi nang iimbestigahan. Kung siya man ang
Finally
nagpadala o
done.
hindi.
This is a
Alam
more
niyang buhay ni
message.
Gio sa loob